In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. O Allah, teach us what benefits us, benefit us with what you've taught us, and increase us in knowledge. May Allah's peace, blessings, and grace be upon our Prophet Muhammad. We'll begin after downloading the provided code file. All you need to do is copy and paste these codes into Access. No manual typing required. But pay close attention to the explanation, as every detail matters. Creating a new database. First, create a new blank Access database. Click New, Blank Access Database. Open the program this way, then click Create. For everyone's convenience, I'll use both English and Arabic terms when needed. Select Table Design to build our first table. Set the first field as auto number. This will serve as the record ID. Second field, name it username and leave its data type as short text. Third field, password. Also set as short text. Now we've created the users table. Close the table and save it as users. Great, the users table is ready. Designing the main data table. Now we'll make it look fully professional. Our goal: hide Access's main window completely and only show custom forms when the program runs. Creating the login form. Go to Create, Blank Form. Add a text box for the username, then copy it for the password field. Give each control a clear name, e.g., txt username, txt password. Pay attention. Control names are crucial in programming. Label the second box as password. Then apply some basic formatting for a clean look. Add two buttons, Login and Exit. Create the Login button, then copy it and rename it to Exit. Now we have a basic login interface. Apply some visual enhancements. You can switch between Design View and Form View from the ribbon. Switch to Form View to preview. But we want this form to appear as a pop-up window. With the form selected, go to its properties and set pop-up equals yes. Now it opens as a modal dialog. A border style and disable record deletion and navigation pane. The result? A clean professional login screen, but we still haven't hidden Access's main window.
Making the login form open first. Now let's make the program launch directly into the login form. First, save the form, close, and name it Login Form. Go to File, Options, Current Database. Under Application Options, set Display Form to Login Form. Access will prompt you to restart the database to apply this. Try it now. And yes, it opens straight to the login form. Perfect! But we want more. Completely hide the access window. Closing the entire application on Exit. Right-click the Exit button. Go to Properties. Event tab. And for On-Click, choose Code Builder. The VBA editor opens. The default code only closes the form. To close the entire application, use docmd.quit. Test it, and the whole program shuts down. Excellent! Hiding the Access main window. Now, let's hide Access's window from the very start. We'll use a special VBA function for this. Copy the correct code snippet based on your Office version, 32-bit or 64-bit. I'm using 64-bit Office, so I'll use that version. Go to Create, then Module. Paste the code inside and save the module as mod hide access. But how do we trigger it? We want it to run automatically when the login form opens. Go back to the login form properties, and in the onload event, paste the function call to hide the access window. Now, when you run the program, the access window disappears completely. Only the login form appears. How to return to design mode. To access design mode later, hold down the Shift key while opening the database. This bypasses the startup form and shows the navigation pane, creating the main application interface. Now, let's build the main dashboard that appears after login. Create a new blank form and add buttons like Enter Data, Reports, Settings, etc. Label one button Data Entry Screen. Apply a stylish theme from the Design tab. Make this form pop up as well and apply the same formatting as before. It looks professional. Now add an exit button at the bottom and link it to docommand.quit. Save the form as main screen. To center it on screen, set Auto Center equal to Yes in Form Properties. Now re-enter design mode to continue. Linking the Login button to the main screen. Back in the Login form, program the Login button to validate credentials and open Main Screen if correct. Open the VBA editor and paste the code that checks the users table. Now go to the users table and add a test user. Username, main user. Password, 123. Displaying usernames in a drop-down. To make login easier, set the username text box to show a drop-down list of all users. Set its row source to SQL Select username from users. Now you can select a username directly from the list. Add a background image or color for a modern look. Change the form's background in its properties. Also, style the buttons to match the theme. If Access gets stuck in the background and won't close, fixing a stuck Access process. Open Task Manager, then go to Progress. Find Microsoft Access, right-click, then End Task. I will open the program. It will indeed open. Then I will close the program completely.
Essential settings for running on any PC. Enable Access macros. To ensure your app runs everywhere, open the database, then go to File, Options, Client Settings. Uncheck confirmation prompts. Then go to Trust Center, Trust Center Settings. Select Macro Settings and choose Enable All Macros. Click OK. Windows language settings for Arabic. For proper Arabic display,
Open Control Panel, Region and Language. Go to Administrative. Change System Locale. Select Arabic. Leave the Beta option as is. And restart your PC if prompted. Now your application is fully ready.
if you find this video helpful, please like it and share it with others who might benefit.